friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Come enjoy with Anuj Fadke. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with a new series. In this series we are going to make a lot of Lego builds. So stay tuned and watch every video. Before we start friends, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now, today this is the part 1 of our Lego building activity. Today we are going to build a small Lego forest. These are some ideas you can build when you are bored. Now, first we will just take the base of the forest. This is a 6 by 6 base plate. Now, first we will build some grass and then we will add a big Lego tree. And now today we are going to build a small Lego build. So if you want to make it bigger, you can make it bigger. First we add this 4 by 4 brick. I don't have enough light brown pieces, so I am using this one piece but there still is some part behind. If you have only a 1 by 1 piece, then you can apply one 2 by 2 piece here and one 1 by 1 piece. But we do need this piece. It's for something that you will know when you keep watching later on in the video. Now to hide that area, I will just add this Lego plate. Now I don't have enough light brown parts, but so I am also going to use a dark brown Lego piece. Yeah, these all are 2 by 2 pieces. Now we just have to stack them together. This is a bit hard over here because we have to stack it all on this piece. Oops, the grass fell off. Now we will add the little leaves of the tree. Okay friends, we are done with the Lego build. But now we have the interesting part. We have to add the animals. Can you guess what animal is going to be hopping around on the trees? You have 5 seconds. It's an arboreal animal. It's very common. One type of it is the Hanuman faced langur. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you guessed monkey correct, you are right. And yes friends, we also, if you don't, I know some people do not have Lego monkeys or even Lego animals. So on my next YouTube video, we are going to make another monkey which will look something like this. If you don't have a Lego monkey, then you can use that build. The next animal is something more smaller and cuter. It loves to get in trash bins in the night. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you guessed raccoon right, you're right. We are going to keep the raccoon here. Now, we are going to add something far more dangerous. It's something which is poisonous in real life. Now, friends, you must be wondering, what is the use of this piece? Now, I will give you 5 seconds to guess it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you guessed snake, then you were right. I am using a cool blue snake. You can use any color you want. Wait, it turns out I put them both in the wrong order. This is the final Lego bit. I hope you liked it. And Lego is not only for just kids. It is also for adults. It is used for creativity and focus. Bye, bye friends. See you in the next video. Bye. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye.